my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. There's a small trick that you can do for pretty much all of these property settings, and it's overseen quite frequent. You see that there's a button and he has in the moment white text color. And here's a small symbol, and that means you not only can have the classic color settings, but you can use a JavaScript-based approach, classic with these handlebars, like everywhere where you bind data. That means you can either look for dynamic data like temporary states for your queries and make it dependent on the data that comes in, or you just have any JavaScript function inside of it that is allowed in this handlebar, so it must be the one-liner of JavaScript. And then you see you can set the color automatically. So in this case, I use this just to control if this circling loading indicator is displayed or not. I just apply an alpha channel transparency full if it's not yet to show as the searching and loading indicator. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.